so the goal in this problem right here is to rewrite each of these using the distributive property without changing the equation, right? We're just rewriting them in different ways. So when we distribute, the operation we distribute is multiplication. So we distribute multiplication. That's really the operation we focus on with distribution. And in each of these cases, we're multiplying by something. Here we're multiplying by -2. So we distribute this number to these two parts. And we can follow along with what's happening. -2 is being multiplied by 5, so -2 times 5. And then we're adding that to -2 plus -2 times -8. And that's it. We're not even solving here, but these are equivalent. Right? In both cases we get +6. But we distribute this -2 to these 1, 2 parts and then add both products. Here, same thing. X is being multiplied by these two parts. So we could add up -3 and 5, or we could say that this equals x times -3 plus, because we're adding the parts here, x times 5. And that's it. We're just rewriting them in different ways. Here, 2 is being multiplied by x, and that's being multiplied by this statement right here. However, it just, I think, is more helpful to distribute this entire thing to each part. So 2x times 2. And that gives us 4 x's, right? 2 x's, maybe in a bag, sitting somewhere. I don't know what that number is, but then you're doubling it, right? That's what it means when you multiply by 2. X and x and x and x. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Now we're going to subtract the parts. Subtract. And we have 2x times -4. Well, if I have -4 groups of 2x, I can think of that as -4 times 2 times x. -4 times 2, that's -8 times x. And it's even easier to rewrite this as 4x plus 8x. And that's just, I know this video is just a walkthrough of the procedure of the distributive property. For more on the idea of the distributive property and what I'm actually doing here and why it makes sense, check out some other videos. Thanks.